Started.
Hello guys, we are back again by maintaining our streak of interview talk. So let's begin with our talk. So I would like to call Aman Bhai to introduce himself. Aman Bhai, go on.
Good evening everyone. I am Oman Madhukar from Mirzapur. Currently I am pursuing my BTech from SBTU Kanpur in computer science stream. Currently I am in the final year. My overall GPA is 7.9. My skill includes React.js, Redux, JavaScript, CSS and HTML, all the front-end things, and C++ as my programming language. My hobbies includes reading books, playing chess and table tennis. I also have played table tennis for my college and represent my college in the zonal level. I have also won the chess tournament in college level. That's all from my side. Thank you. Now Akash will introduce himself.
Okay. Hello everyone. Akash Babu here, and I would like to introduce myself. I am from district area. Currently, I am pursuing bachelor's in Harcourt Butler Technical University. And my current CGPA is 7.1, and my skill includes like CSS, HTML, JavaScript, and React. Also, I have covered the some front-end libraries of web development, and my hobbies are like watching movies, reading books. Yeah, that's it.
Hello
Now
everyone.
I would
My
like
name is
to
Sudhanshu Maurya and I'm from
call Sudhanshu Maurya.
Mirzapur.
Don't say it already. I'm
Yeah,
inviting you. Just wait.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Now, guys, I would like to call Sudhanshu Maurya to introduce himself. So now, Sudhanshu Maurya, come on.
Hello everyone. My name is Sudhanshu Maurya and like Aman Bhai, I am also from Mirzapur and I am in my
Not say
final year.
like Aman Bhai. You are creating like polarity. You two will be one side, and I will be on other side.
Yeah, there is nothing like that. So you don't worry. We will not
When
polarized.
you will say I am from Mirzapur, you will say I am also from Mirzapur, from where you are.
Yeah, that's the way to connect.
Then he will think of that you are like making him your side.
Yeah, there is
Now
nothing.
let's start
Yeah.
again. Let's start again.
Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Sudhanshu Maurya. I'm from Mirzapur and currently I'm in my final year of BTech in Information Technology from SBTU, actually Harcourt Butler Technical University, Kanpur. And my skills include React.js and Flutter. Currently, I'm working on Flutter. In past, I had also worked on some React.js projects which are live. You can check the link in my resume from my resume. And currently, I'm working on some Flutter projects, and I would like to apply my skills which I learned during my course to real projects in which are solving the problem of users. And my hobbies include reading books, cycling, and that's all about me. And now I would hand over to Aman Bhai what to explain some question or point to us. Aman,
Now I will solve the today's problem of the day of GSB. It is an English question.
yeah.
I will try to solve that. I haven't solved it already. I'm presenting my screen. Hope you are able to see the screen.
Yeah.
So the question states as to that we are given a link list. It is given ahead of the list, and we have to perform some tasks. The
Yeah.
tasks are first task is add the alternative node starting from the second. Next, And whatever we extract in, let's say, we have extracted elements in an array, we have
Hmm.
to reverse that array, and after reversing that array, we have to append that each element of that array at the end of that array.
Hmm.
So if I elaborate with an example, let's say given an example, and this is a linked list given to us. First task is starting to the second node, we have to collect the alternative node.
Hmm.
Means second node is 4, to collect 4, and let me collect it from here. First, second node is 4. After 4, the alternate node is 1,
One.
then 5, and after that 4. Right? Are you able to see this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have this is after the first half. Now we have to reverse this extracted list. If we reverse this list, we will have something like this: 4, 5, 1, and then 4. Right? Now we
Okay.
have to add this reversed list in the original link list.
Hmm.
So what we left off in our original link list, after taking the each alternate element starting from the second node,
Hmm.
we left with 10, then 9, then 3,
Three.
and then 9. Right?
Yeah.
Now we have to append this reverse list. So we will append the 4, then 5, then 1, and then 4. So
Yeah.
this list, we have to reverse this list.
Hmm.
You can see this in the answer.
Hmm.
This should be our output.
Okay.
So for the true course, what which is coming to my mind is we can take two arrays.
Okay.
The first array should take the alternate node starting from the first node,
Yeah.
and the second vector will contain the alternate node starting from the second node.
Hmm.
Then we will reverse the second array,
Hmm.
and after reversing the second array, we will change the original list with our array with the numbers in our array.
Hmm.
Let's say ARR and BRR are the arrays.
Hmm.
ARR has the numbers in original form,
Hmm.
and BRR have the numbers in reverse form.
Okay.
After reversing the numbers,
Hmm.
we have in BRR. So first we traverse the ARR and put all the nodes in the linked list which are available in ARR. Then
Okay.
after we will traverse simply BRR and put all the nodes and simply return the head of that list. Are you getting the approach?
Yeah. Totally.
Okay, so let's code. I'm trying to code it up. So I have code till here. I have
We have
created
to
two arrays.
return nothing in the.
Actually, we don't have to return anything. It will take care. We have to only change the linked list in order. We have to change the linked list in place.
Okay.
What I am trying here is I have created two arrays, ARR and DRR. Let's say ARR will contain all the elements starting from the first row,
Hmm.
and DRR will contain all the elements starting from the second row.
Hmm.
So I have to first include all the elements, then I will reverse the BRR and rearrange the again. So we have created a pointer which will pointing to the first element which is given as odd.
फिर से
So I have
एलिमेंट कर
created
लेता है.
P, and P contains the odd. Now while P is true, if P is true, I will add the arrays P's data into the ARR, and we will move now P to the P's next, and again check if P is still true. Then I will append the data of P into BRR. That's how I am collecting the alternate data into both ARR and BRR. Are you getting this
आकाश
strategy?
Akash, mute yourself. You can unmute when you have to say, because the noise of love love's room coming through your mic and surrounding voice too. Okay. Now Aman, continue.
Are you able this loop thing? Why we have done like this?
Yeah, totally
So
got the.
ARR will contain all the alternate elements.
Hmm.
ARR will starting from the first node and BRR will contain all the nodes starting from the second node. Right?
Okay. Hmm.
Now we simply have to reverse the BRR. After reversing the BRR, I simply have to traverse in both ARR and BRR and so we again point P to the odd until ARR have elements. First I have to insert all the ARR elements, then I will insert all the BRR elements.
Hmm.
So first I have to insert all the ARR elements. Let's say let's run a loop in ARR. So P's data we will change it to element of the ARR and we will move P to next next element. Once the ARR is exhausted, we will run the same loop in BRR. Akash, mute yourself. Now I think it is done. Let me run this. The same vector is not declared.
See the driver code. The header files are not included. Whether
Yeah, it is not included. I think it is not expecting us to use vector video. You can't change the
because in the question it is said you have to use no extra space. That's
yeah, that's right.
uh,
First,
it,
I have to try this approach.
is it not allowing to edit the driver's code, Aman?
Yes, it is not allowed. I can't change the files here. So it will be the brute force if we have to use without using any extra skills. How do we do that?
We can do in the same way, Aman.
Yes,
We can took two pointers, actually node type pointers, and like we stored in the array, we start connecting creating a linked list. The first linked list will contain the elements at even, and second linked list will contain elements at odd positions. So what we does, we reverse the second linked list and connect it to the first linked list which we created, the even one.
This will create a new linked list. We have to change the existing linked list.
Yeah, this will not create the new linked list. It is basically linked list work on pointers. So we are taking just new variables and nothing more than that. We are just changing the pointers.
I didn't get your approach. Please elaborate a bit.
Suppose we took two pointer. First is even node and second is the odd node
Okay,
of the node type. And
okay,
for even node, we store the odd pointer which is given, which is passed as a parameter to the function rearrange. And for the odd node, what we does, we assign it with odd next. Okay, so
okay,
we run a loop while this first node not becomes null, or this actually even node and odd node, we the pointer which we take till the next of this pointer become null, we keep running that loop. And what we do is, for even node in next, what we store, the next of next.
code it. Sudhanshu, code it.
I had already coded it. I can share my screen.
Yes, here looks similar.
Okay. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes,
Yeah. So here is the first pointer. I assigned with the pointer which is passed as parameter, and here is the odd node pointer which is pointing to the next. Suppose this is the linked list, then the even node is pointing to this, and odd node is pointing to 4. Okay. So
okay,
while hello,
Yeah,
yeah. So
continue.
yeah, after this, what I did, while even node dot next is null. Okay. While the next of 10 is not null, and the next of this 9 4 is not null, we keep running the loop. And what I did, in the next of 10, we store the this even node can next ka next. Even node next is 4 and its next is 9. So what we stored in even nodes next is even node next yani 9. And then we move the even node pointer to this pointer, and in the same way for even odd node next, yani for this we store the next. Okay. For example, for 4 we stored the 1, and we again move the odd pointer. In the same way, we store the even node and matlab nodes at even position and nodes at odd position. Then what we does, we took a temp variable to get the head of the odd node, because the this odd dot next which we store, this 4 is the header of the second node. this odd node linked list. Then what we does is you use iteratively we reverse the this list, this odd one, and at the in the end what I does this I connect it with the even node next, which is null previously.
So the same thing we have to do with the link list only, then it will taking without it will done without using any extra space.
Yeah,
So,
and
nice approach. It was a nice approach.
I submitted it, it get accepted. The are you guys get my approach? Did you guys?
Yeah, I have got the approach, but I have in your explanation I have lost somewhere in next.
Yeah, it's so many next is there. So yeah, it's it's little once you draw on pen copy, it will become very clear. Uh,
Yes.
yeah, the link list is looks so easy to me. I feel like I can solve the questions of linked list because the first question which I solved from myself, not seeing any tutorial. It was the medium level question was of the linked list, and the day I solved, I am very happy. Oh, I can solve it. I can solve it by myself. Ah, so that was the day I remember that day, and I think from that day I started. I feel like I also can solve, uh, like everyone does. I can also do the. There is nothing. So
Now we can have a session.
yeah. So Akash, you have to conclude the session. You have started the session and you have to conclude the session. Akash, unmute yourself.
So guys, we are done with today's uh, maintaining today's streak, and we will come to you later
See you
next day
tomorrow, guys.
at same times.
Yeah,
Uh, Thank you guys. Yeah,
yeah.
we are
We are done. See you.
done.
Tata. Bye bye. Bye bye, everyone. Bye, Aman. Bye, Akash.
Bye.